Aynsley Cottage Garden, but not a huge vase, quite tiny little vase, bud vase really, isn't it? Classic Aynsley design. They made these in Pembroke and Cottage Garden and a variety of other patterns during the late 20th century. They were sold for the gift and collector's market. It's got quite an early stamp on it, this one. I think it is an early piece. I know that by the fact it's got Cottage Garden and portrayal of a floral pattern of an English country garden, which they dropped in later production. Standard shape and size though, with these little sort of double scroll handles really, isn't it? And then some ribbing on the actual top. I think it's just over an inch, the actual diameter on there. It's a pretty little thing. Functions as a vase. It's glazed inside and in absolute mint condition on the outside, so no condition warnings or anything on this one. Very nicely decorated with the Cottage Garden design, butterfly in orange on the front and just a band of the floral design across the rear, but they have gone to the trouble of putting a little bit of design around the upper sort of stem of rim as it comes up here. So a nice little thing, unusual, not that uncommon. I think they made these in quite large numbers, but a nice little gift in Aynsley Cottage Garden if somebody you know collects it. Thanks for watching.